Dr. Finn here with my puppy Oak and Issa, and I just want to possibly remind you of something, possibly something that you didn't really ever think about before. But when your beloved pet dies, your relationship hasn't died. Your love for them did not die. They transitioned. But whatever you believe about their spirit, or whether you don't believe that, just know that your love didn't die. It's a present tense. You love your dog. I love this puppy. The only difference is I can physically hug this puppy, but I can connect with my deceased pets in my heart or in my mind, in my memories. So I hope that helps.